of Research on Heritage Management and Preservation is now available and is a critical resource that examines different aspects of heritage management, featuring coverage on a broad range of topics such as community involvement, records legislation, and collection development. This book is geared towards academics, researchers, and students seeking current research on heritage management and preservation. Suitable for use in your course syllabus and as a resource for research advancements within your department, the Handbook of Research on Heritage Management and Preservation should be included within your institution's library along with these related publications.
Offered in print, ebook, print plus ebook, and as part of IGI Global's InfoSci-Books, this publication is available for purchase directly through IGI Global's online bookstore, as well as many other major booksellers and platforms, such as Gobi, EBSCOhost, and ProQuest. Recommend to your librarian today.